In this video, I'll be using Group Policy to configure homepage, new tab page, and also enable home button in Brave browser. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about installing policy templates to manage Brave browser settings via Group Policy. And here you can see the objectives for this video. I will be setting google.com as my homepage, DuckDuckGo as my new tab page, and also I will enable my home button in Brave browser. And here you can also find all the policy locations, policy names, and values that I will be using in this video. And now I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment, and here I will be creating my group policy. So I will go to Tools, Group Policy Management, then I will right click on Group Policy Objects and select New. I will name the policy Brave Settings, then I will click OK. I will expand Group Policy Objects and I will select the policy that I created, then I will right click on it and select Edit. And I will be creating this policy for my domain computer, so I will go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Brave, and here we're looking for Startup, Homepage, and New Tab Page. I will click on it, and here we need to modify a few of the settings. And first I will enable the Home button, so I will click on Show Home button on Toolbar, and I will just enable this setting and then click on Apply and OK. And now I will configure my homepage, so I will click on Configure the homepage URL. Here I will enable the policy. For the value I will enter HTTPS and then google.com. Let's click Apply and OK. Now for the new tab page, let's click on Configure the new tab page URL. I will also enable it, and for the value I will enter HTTPS duckduckgo.com. Once again, Apply and OK. And for the last setting, I need to configure Use New Tab Page as Homepage, and that's because by default the new tab page is the home page. So to disable this behavior, we need to disable this policy. And this will allow us to have separate page for new tab page and also a different page for our home page. So let's disable it, then click on Apply and OK. And that's it for creating this policy. Now we can close this window. Let's go to Details. And for GPU status, I will select User Configuration Settings Disabled, because this policy currently has only computer settings in it. And I will leave all other settings on default. Now after creating this policy, we need to assign it to an organization unit that is holding the computers where we want to apply these settings. In my case, the organization unit will be this one, and that's because it holds all of my computers. So I will click and hold on the policy, and then I will drag and drop it on that organization unit. And as you can see, the policy appeared in the list here and also in the list here. And that's it for creating this policy. Now to test it, I will go to one of my client machines that I have here. And if I open Brave now, you can see that it opens up this new tab page. And if I also open another tab, it also opens the same page. I also don't have the home button enabled, and that's because we have the policy, but we didn't give it enough time to update on the client machines. So let's update it manually, and for that I will go to my start menu, I will open CMD, and here I will type GP update, and let's press enter and wait a bit. And as you can see, the policy on the computer was successfully updated. So if I go back to my Brave browser, and let's open another tab. And as you can see, this time it opens up DuckDuckGo. We also have the home button here. So if I click on it, it opens up google.com. So everything seems to be working just fine. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.